If our cables go down, our economy goes down. Undersea cables between Ireland and Europe are increasingly important for our economies and our communications and our energy supplies. 90% of Ireland's territory is underwater. Pipelines, electricity and data cables traverse this space. And offshore wind installations are increasing. We must ensure that all of this critical infrastructure is protected. In 2022, the Russian Ministry of Defence proposed exercises over vital cables off the Irish coast. While this proposal was rescinded, it highlighted a key vulnerability. If our defence forces are to effectively defend the state against new hybrid threats, their budget must be upgraded. This will help plug the gaping holes in our ability to identify who or what traverses our sea and sky. We must work with our neighbours in the future to ensure that this infrastructure, which is critical for Ireland and the European Union, is protected. And I welcome the Commission's recommendations that we should regularly assess and improve the security and resilience of existing and new submarine cables infrastructure. And I believe that Ireland should participate in the PESCO Critical Maritime Infrastructure Protection Project in continued alignment with the state's neutrality position. Bad actors still populate the international stage, and as long as they do, Ireland has a duty to ensure it can defend while also working peacefully to oppose them. Thank you.